अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ, अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ, अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ। मैं भी तेरे जैसा हूँ, अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ। अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ, अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ। मैं भी तेरे जैसा हूँ, अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ, अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ। मैं भी तेरे जैसा हूँ, धुन में रहता हूँ। ओ पिछली रुत के साथी, ओ पिछली रुत के साथी, साथी 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 साथी। ओ पिछली रुत के साथी, ओ पिछली रुत के साथी। अब के बरस मैं तन्हा हूँ, अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ। मैं भी तेरे जैसा हूँ, अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ। ओ पिछली रुत के साथी, साथी साथी, पिछली रुत के साथी, साथी साथी।
We screened Dhru's films on 17th February. The venue was filled with everyone who collectively grieved the loss. And while I had watched this documentary before, I tried to read between the lines, trying to see if there was something I had missed. I know it's been a while, but I am finally getting the courage to talk about it here. I talk to concerned friends almost every day, trying to be there for others as a way of caring for myself and keeping myself in check. It helped in a big way, but in quiet moments, the grief made its way home. And I was haunted by what could have been. A sense of helplessness that one feels after a given moment of time has passed, and there is nothing you can do but look back at it. And finally, when the tears seemed to not come anymore, there was an unnerving silence. Nobody spoke, but everyone knew, and nobody spoke, but everyone felt it.
तेरी गली में सारा दिन, तेरी गली में सारा दिन दुख के कंकर चुनता हूँ, अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ, अपनी.
What is something that he would have done if he was dealing with a loss? How would he treat his pain? Answers to many questions brought me back to the starting point: art. I had no strength to write and directly face what life had become, but I could glide over how it feels through music and art. And like a madman, I found myself editing pictures again and making artworks frantically.
सारा दिन तेरी गली में सारा दिन.
I was supported by my friends. We made some time for joy and laughter between the pain.
तेरी गली में सारा दिन,
And I started listening to Ghulam Ali and other ghazal artists. I found a strange comfort in all of this music that I didn't find in other types of music. You'll find more such music in this video. Perhaps you will see what I mean. And finally, when it was time, I decided to talk to the Navrang Productions team, a team that me and Dhruv made together and dreamt of doing great projects with.
मैं भी तेरे जैसा.
He would laugh when I would write this on the board. The meeting was strange, and he was the only person missing.
मेरा दिया जलाए कौन, मेरा दिया जलाए कौन, जलाए कौन, मेरा दिया दिया जलाए कौन, मेरा दिया जलाए कौन, मेरा दिया जलाए कौन. मैं तेरा खाली कमरा हूँ, अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ, मैं भी तेरे जैसा हूँ, अपनी धुन में रहता हूँ. तेरे सिवा मुझे पहने कौन, तेरे सिवा मुझे पहने कौन, कौन.
This is Chai 24. I would see him here every other night, standing at one exact spot.
तेरे सिवा मुझे पहने कौन, तेरे सिवा मुझे पहने कौन. मैं तेरे तन का कपड़ा हूँ, अपनी धुन में रहता.
He left behind a film synopsis that we were supposed to work on. He had suggested that I should write for the film. The main instinct around that time was to start working on this film right away. A few days later, I got a plant from the nursery as a reminder to care for myself. If I remembered to water the plant, I would remember to drink water myself. If I remembered to keep it in the sunlight, I would remember to go out myself. And of course, there was no right time to start healing, as there was no healing out of this. I guess it's more about how you go on living with the wounds. My friends reminded me that he lives through us, through our conversations, art, politics, love, and hope.
गुम रहते हो, कितनी मुद्दत बाद मिले हो। लफ्ज़ हैं, तेज़ हवा ने मुझसे पूछा, तो हवा का फैक्ट तेज़ का, सिर्फ हवा का नहीं, तेज़ हवा का। तेज़ हवा ने मुझसे पूछा, तेज़ हवा ने मुझसे पूछा, तेज हवा ने मुझसे पूछा, तेज हवा ने मुझसे पूछा, तेज हवा ने मुझसे पूछा, रेत पे क्या लिखते रहते हो, रेत पे क्या लिखते रहते हो, किन सोचों में गुम रहते हो, मुद्दत बाद मिले हो, कितनी मुद्दत बाद मिले हो।
I let quietness take over me and I sort of stopped looking for any answers.
कौन सी बात है तुम में ऐसी, कौन सी बात है तुम में ऐसी,
I went for classes around 2 weeks later and really struggled with being on time and finishing any work.
बात है तुम में ऐसी, ऐसी कौन सी बात है।
It felt like nothing really mattered at all. All academic work seemed superficial.
बात है तुम में ऐसी, इतने अच्छे क्यों लगते, इतने अच्छे क्यों लगते हो, इतने अच्छे क्यों लगते हो, किन सोचों में गुम रहते हो, इतनी मुद्दत बाद मिले हो, इतनी
My friend Kabir gifted me this tote bag.
हो, इतनी मुद्दत बाद मिले हो, इतनी मुद्दत बाद मिले हो।
I decided to go home for midterm break in March.
दिल में एक लहर सी उठी है अभी, दिल में एक लहर सी उठी है अभी, कोई ताज़ा हवा चली है अभी, दिल में
I did not really look forward to anything. Every day was a new challenge, and the main objective was to go back to bed.
शोर बरपा है खानाए दिल में, शोर बरपा है खानाए दिल में, कोई दीवार सी गिरी है अभी।
I gave this card to my partner before leaving for the break.
गिरी है अभी कोई
I discovered this particular ghazal on this day when I recorded this video.
दिल में एक लहर सी उठी है अभी। भरी दुनिया में जी नहीं लगता, भरी दुनिया में जी नहीं लगता, जाने किस चीज की कमी है अभी, जाने किस चीज की कमी है अभी। कोई ताजा हवा चली है अभी, दिल में एक लहर सी उठी है अभी।
At home, I expected to have some rest and get my mind off of things. But instead, I discovered that my mom had suffered a heart attack a month back. It was quite a shock, and she's fine now, but at that point, I was not in the state to really process it. I wanted to make a small documentary with my father, but he was sick for quite a few days too. This was a realization that I am now really far from the childhood days that I was aware of.
मिजाज हैं हम भी, कुछ तो नाजुक मिजाज हैं हम भी, और ये चोट भी नहीं है अभी, और ये चोट भी नहीं है अभी। कोई ताजा हवा चली है अभी, दिल में एक लहर सी उठी है अभी। शहर की बेचराग गलियों में, गलियों में शहर की बेचराग गलियों में, शहर की बेचराग गलियों में, जिंदगी तुझको ढूंढती है अभी, जिंदगी तुझको ढूंढती है अभी। कोई ताजा हवा चली है अभी, दिल में एक लहर सी उठी है अभी, दिल में एक लहर सी उठी है अभी।
I'm never really eager to be back to my town. I don't really talk to many people from my school, and I only stay at home. You outgrow places and people, and that's what I realize every time I'm back home.
See you later. If I thought I'd see you later.
It feels like the town never really progressed. It has been the way I left it.
If I did. It's so strange deciding how to feel about it. With such strange emotion, standing there beside it. I'm home with moonlight on the river, saying my goodbyes. Home, there's moonlight on the river. Everybody dies.
There's only the hills that I look forward to. And I guess the leafless tree pretty much described how I felt during that time.
Say, see you next time. If I thought there were a next time. Easy conversation ain't exactly where we're at. It's so strange deciding.
I came back to Delhi after a week, accepted to continue an internship that I was supposed to. I was now doing 2 internships parallel to my studies. My plan was that it would help me keep busy and I would also earn some money. Both of these things happened, but I ended up really burning out throughout the semester.
I'm home with moonlight on the river, saying my goodbyes. Home, there's moonlight on the river. Everybody dies. Home, with moonlight on the river, saying my goodbyes. I'm home,
So I was back to counseling. I started seeing a psychologist and then a psychiatrist. At times I struggled waiting for the pills to arrive, which are quite inaccessible. I made a frustrated artwork during this time. The problem was solved later by the administration after they saw my art. The problem wasn't just with my schedule or the way I was living. I had lost the sense of safety and familiarity of home that I felt at Ashoka. It was bad news after bad news during this time. Everything happening in the world seemed to bring me down. I went to a concert and it was quite fun, but it only lasted for a bit. Many friends reached out, and some days I would have conversations outside the university space with them. It was clear I was feeling suffocated all throughout. Around this time, me and my 3 friends ideated that we should go to Kolkata for a short trip before the summer semester. I had a quote on my board from a Tyler the Creator song. But the problem of being afraid of wasting my potential is that there is no upper limit, and I felt myself pushing my limits.
मेरे शौक दा नहीं इतबार तैनू आ जावे मेरा इंतजार आ जा मेरे शौक दा नहीं.
I was not in my room in the daytime. I was out rotting somewhere trying to manage everyday life, burnout, and 2 internships. I cannot emphasize the burnout enough. So I just have footages from the moments that looked pleasing to me or held some significance to me.
तू सोचना है सितमगार आ जा मेरे शौक दा नहीं इतबार तैनू.
As I previously mentioned my pessimism with the world, over the past 2 semesters, I, along with my friends, had been trying to build a space that attempts to make marginalized students at Ashoka feel at home through an anti-caste lens. Hence, in September 2024, we had ideated the Savitri Ambedkar Periyar Study Circle. This semester, we successfully celebrated Ambedkar Jayanti and co-organized the Ambedkar Memorial Lecture by Radhika Vemula with the Equal Opportunity Cell at Ashoka. I have always been scared of revealing my identity in this way, but running a space like SAPSC gave me the confidence to open up about my identity. The campus politics paved the way for me to be a lot more vocal about the politics that I support. I hope to talk more about my politics through my artistic medium moving forward. We also had a successful screening of the documentary Chaitya Bhumi alongside a discussion with its director.
ਉੱਥੇ ਹਸਤੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਖੁਦ ਪਰਸਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਰਿਵਾਜ ਮਸਜਿਦਾਂ ਮੰਦਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਹਸਤੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਖੁਦ ਪਰਸਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਖਾਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਸਤੀਆਂ ਹੀ ਮਸਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਹੋਸ਼ ਕਰ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਹੁਸ਼ਿਆਰ ਆਜਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਤਬਾਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਆਜਾ ਵੇਖ ਮੇਰਾ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਰ ਆਜਾ ਐਵੇਂ ਲੜਨ ਬਹਾਨੇ ਕਬ ਨਾ ਏ ਕਿ ਤੂੰ ਸੋਚਣਾ ਏ ਸਿਤਮਗਾਰ ਆਜਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਸ਼ੌਕ रकीब पूरा पाया।
When it's hard to say hello, always seem to wait a bit too long. On display for all to see, satisfaction guaranteed. Wish I could afford to buy your love. Tear up my life. I don't wanna play to lose. I spend so much time trying to get away from you. Stuck in my mind. If only there were room for two. In love with your life. I don't wanna know the truth. I would run away if you follow. Usually the truth is hard to swallow. Give it a chance, I won't take you for granted. You're not one for second chances. Still I love the things you put me through. Hate it when it's hard to say hello. Always seem to wait a bit too long. On display for all to see, satisfaction guaranteed. Wish I could afford to buy your love.
Stumbling and trying to keep walking, we finally arrived to the last class of the semester.
शामे गम की कसम आज गमगी हैं हम। आ भी जा आज मेरे सनम। शामे गम की कसम। दिल परेशान है, रात वीरान है। देख जा किस तरह आज तन्हा है हम। शामे गम की कसम। जो पहलू में तू ही नहीं, मार डाले न दर्दे जुदाई कहीं। रुत हंसी है तो क्या चांदनी है तो क्या, चांदनी जुल्म है और जुदाई सितम। शामे गम की कसम आज गमगी हैं हम। आ भी जा आज मेरे सनम। शामे गम की कसम। अब तो आजा के अब रात भी सो गई, जिंदगी गम के सहरा में खो गई, अब तो आजा के अब रात भी
I stayed in the campus again to do an internship because I knew I'd get bored back at home. It was quite tiring, but 4 weeks went by pretty quickly.
तू कहाँ है मगर देखते देखते आया आँखों में दम, शामे गम की कसम आज गमगीन हैं हम, आ भी जा आज मेरे सनम, शामे गम की कसम।
बहारों को चमन याद आ गया है, बहारों को चमन याद आ गया है, मुझे वो गुल बदन याद आ गया है, बहारों को चमन याद आ गया है।
Every day was about facing new challenges and goals in the internship, and I would come back and lay in my bed the entire evening.
लचकती शाख ने जब सर उठाया, लचकती शाख ने जब सर उठाया, किसी का बांकपन याद आ गया है, किसी का।
After the internship, I knew I seriously needed some rest and time off from everything.
मुझे वो गुल बदन याद आ गया है, बहारों को चमन याद आ गया है। तेरी सूरत को जब देखा है मैंने, तेरी सूरत को जब देखा है मैंने, तेरी सूरत को जब देखा है मैंने, उरूजे फिक्रोफन याद आ गया है, उरूजे फिक्रोफन याद आ गया है, मुझे वो गुल बदन याद आ गया है, बहारों को चमन याद आ।
And by the last day of internship, 14th June, I felt tired and defeated. I'm much better now, but here's what I had to say back then. So, 3:15 a.m. You can see my face. I'm absolutely not tired. I love my life. And I was packing, talking to Orithro on a call for 2 hours. I didn't care packing my stuff this time. I'm just so tired that like I just want to pack my shit and get out of here. Honestly, like so yeah. There's a carton there, small carton. I can't describe what life has been for the past 6 months, and I'm just really I'm not even emotional. Okay, maybe I am. I'm just I just feel a bit defeated while going back. You know. Like I did all of this, but at what cost? Like I am like really gone. I don't have any rest in my eyes. Like in conversations, people ask me if I'm getting enough rest. People ask me if I want to talk, but I don't know what I want. I don't know what can make it better just yet. I don't feel the best, but life moves on, and this 1 month of internship is over. I was not sure if I want to do this, if I wanted to do this when it began, but and 2 weeks into it, I was like, okay, it's fine. Last 2 weeks, I was just trying to get through every day. So yeah. So I got this plant last semester when I, at a time when I could not really care for myself, but the idea or the philosophy behind getting this plant was that if I water it, then I will remember to drink water. If I put it in sunlight, I will remember to go in sunlight myself. So, and like the plant has grown quite a lot since I've got it. It only had 2 leaves now. Now you can see what it is. And I'm going to keep this guy back. I might get it back by the next time I come back. But yeah, for now, need to. So yeah, that's what plants teach you. A while back, I watched a movie called Drive My Car. And there's this quote I really liked, and I feel everyone should remember it.